Chapter 16, Section 1, the objectives for the section are: define the term mineral, explain the difference between a metal and a nonmetal, and give 2 examples of each. Describe 3 processes by which ore minerals form. Mineral resources. We depend on the use of mineral resources in almost every aspect of our daily life. However, our dependency on minerals has not come without a price. The current challenge is to obtain the minerals that an ever-increasing world population demands at minimal cost to the environment. So this image shows the amount of metals and minerals that are being used. At the bottom, on to your left on the chart, shows the mineral names. So the highest minerals that we're using are the most that we are using are other metals. Is the highest. Then followed by salt and iron ore. What is a mineral? So a mineral is a naturally occurring, usually inorganic solid that has a characteristic chemical composition, an orderly internal structure, and a characteristic set of physical properties. They are made up of atoms of a single element or of compounds. So remember, a compound consists of atoms of 2 or more elements that are chemically combined. And the atoms that make up minerals are arranged in regular, repeating geometric patterns. And what is a mineral? The arrangement of the atoms along with the strength of the chemical bonds between them determine the physical properties of minerals. Some elements called native elements are considered minerals. These include the elements silver, gold, silver, and copper. Most minerals, however, are compounds, and the mineral quartz is made up of silica, which consists of 1 silica atom and 2 oxygen atoms. An ore mineral is a mineral that contains 1 or more elements of economic value. So during the mining process, gangue minerals, minerals with no commercial value, are extracted along with ore minerals. Then ore minerals, once separated from the gangue minerals, are refined using various methods to extract the valuable elements they contain. So for mining to be profitable, the price of the final product must be greater than the cost of extraction and refining. And this is a chart showing what element that you use in your daily life and the important ore minerals that go with it. Metallic minerals. So ore minerals are either metallic or non-metallic. If the metals have the following characteristics: so they can conduct electricity, they have shiny surfaces, are opaque. Many valuable metallic minerals are native elements such as gold, silver, and copper. So these are all metallic minerals. Other important ore minerals are compounds of metallic minerals with non-metallic elements. So non-metallic minerals. Non-minerals have the following characteristics. So they tend to be good insulators. They may have shiny or dull surfaces. They may allow light to pass through. Non-metallic minerals can also be native elements or compounds. And how do ore minerals form? So economically important ore deposits form in a variety of ways, both on and beneath Earth's surface. The types of mineral that form depend on the environment in which they form. So this is an example. So it shows the magma is down here. So it says as magma moves upward through the crust, minerals form from the slow cooling fluids. So it's moving upward, and minerals are forming. Groundwater moving downward through the rock is heated by magma. Dissolved metals crystallize out of the hot fluid to form new minerals. And then when a body of water evaporates, minerals such as halite, which is known as rock salt, and gypsum crystallize. And dissolved minerals that are carried into bodies of water crystallize on the bottom. So that's what this gray is, the fact that those are crystallizing on the bottom of the water. Hydrothermal solutions. Hot surface waters that contain dissolved minerals are called hydrothermal solutions. Hydrothermal solutions dissolve minerals as they flow through cracks in rocks. New minerals crystallize out of these solutions and then fill fractures to form ore deposits called veins. Many economically valuable metallic ores form in this way. Evaporites. When water in the seas or lakes evaporate, they leave behind deposits of salts called evaporites. Evaporites form in arid regions where rates of evaporation are high. Halite, or rock salt, and gypsum are important evaporite minerals. Mineral resources and their uses. Certain metals are of major economic and industrial importance. Some metals can be pounded or pressed into various shapes, or stretched very thinly without breaking. Others conduct electricity well. So often 2 or more metals are used to form alloys, which combine the most desirous properties of the metals used to make them. So mineral resources and their uses. So aluminum can be used for cans, foil, windows, doors, siding, and more. Copper can be used for things like electrical and electronic products. Iron for steel making. Silver for photography, electrical and electronic products. And you guys can read the rest of them. So nonmetals are among the most widely used minerals in the world. Gypsum, for example, is used to make building materials such as wallboard and concrete. Some non-metallic minerals include gemstones, prized for their beauty, rarity, and durability. Important gemstones include diamond, ruby, sapphire, emerald, aquamarine, topaz, and tourmaline. And then these are the 3 questions. So they are in order in the PowerPoint, so definitely go back and read the PowerPoint. Remember to fill in your copy of the PowerPoint. So number 1 says, define the term mineral. Number 2, explain the difference between a metal and a nonmetal and give 2 examples of each. 3, describe 3 processes by which ore minerals form. So remember, answer the questions, make sure you submit it on Schoology, and go back and stop if you need to fill it in.